Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Revolut account to your Trading 212 account. Whether you're topping up to buy stocks, ETFs, or just want to have funds ready. For your next trade, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. First, open the Trading 212 app or log in on desktop and head to the deposit section. Here, you'll find the bank details you'll need in order to fund your account. These will usually include the account holder name, IBAN or account number, SWIFT BIC code, and sometimes a reference number that helps Trading 212 link the payment to your account. Copy or write these details down carefully. You'll need them. In the Revolut app, now open the Revolut app and go to the Payments section. Tap on Bank Transfer and then add a recipient. Since Trading 212 uses bank transfers, you'll select to a business or to another bank account depending on your app version. Enter the bank details you got from Trading 212 exactly as shown. This is important to make sure your money arrives safely. If they've given you a payment reference, don't skip it. It's what ensures the deposit is credited to your account. Once the recipient is saved, enter the amount you want to transfer from Revolut to Trading 212. Double-check the currency. 212 accounts are often in GBP or EUR, so you may want to convert your funds inside Revolut before sending to avoid conversion fees. When everything looks correct, hit send. Bank transfers from Revolut to Trading 212 can be very quick sometimes. Within minutes if it's in the same currency, but depending on your bank's processing times, it may take up to a business day. And that's it. Once the funds land in your Trading 212 account, you'll be ready to invest. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more simple finance and investing tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do a step-by-step on withdrawing from Trading 212 back to Revolut.